Hi there, automobile enthusiasts and tech lovers. I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we explore an exciting rollout in the world of in-car technology, the arrival of Apple's CarPlay Ultra. Now, this isn't just any update, it's set to transform how we interact with our vehicles. So, if you're curious about what this means for you, buckle up because we're diving in. First things first, let's talk about what CarPlay Ultra really is. Apple's latest version of CarPlay is an advanced integration system that enhances user experience by allowing iPhone features to be seamlessly blended with your car's interface. Imagine controlling not just navigation, but climate settings and even vehicle diagnostics right from your iPhone screen. How cool is that? Now, you may be wondering, when can you get this feature? The good news is that CarPlay Ultra is officially rolling out with new Aston Martin orders right here in the US and Canada. Yes, you heard that right! If you're in the market for a luxury vehicle, this could be a game changer for you. Plus, keep your eyes peeled because existing models with the right infotainment systems will receive updates in the coming weeks. Exciting, right? Speaking of excitement, how does the thought of having a customizable dashboard featuring all your favorite apps sound? Think about it. You could swipe to see your calendar, music, and even weather updates right there on your dashboard. It feels like having a personal assistant while driving. Can you imagine what an impact this will have on your daily commutes? Let me know in the comments how you envision using CarPlay Ultra when it's available. And it gets even better. Car makers like Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis are also gearing up to incorporate this innovative system into their vehicles. This collaboration signifies a big leap in the automotive and tech industries. It's not just Aston Martin leading the charge, it's a community effort to enhance the driving experience. You have to admit, that's pretty inspiring. Now, let's rewind a bit. Apple first teased us with CarPlay Ultra back in 2022, with an anticipated launch in 2024. Though we might be seeing it a bit later than expected, the wait seems worthwhile, don't you think? It shows how crucial it is for tech to evolve alongside our driving habits and preferences. However, one question remains: when will other luxury brands like Porsche jump on this bandwagon? While we're not sure yet, the buzz surrounding CarPlay Ultra is palpable, and it's likely that we won't be waiting long for them to join the fun. So, whether you're a tech buff or someone who simply loves a smooth ride, this update surely has something for you. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button for more of these thrilling tech updates, now's the perfect time. You won't want to miss what's coming next in the world of in-car technology. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What features are you most excited to see with CarPlay Ultra? Are there any specific aspects of this technology that you think will enhance your driving experience the most? I can't wait to read your comments and engage with all of you. Thanks so much for tuning in today as we unveiled the exciting developments with Apple's CarPlay Ultra. Stay curious, stay engaged, and I'll see you in the next video.